Welcome to Learning Plan number 3. This is on professional competence, development, and identity. So in this learning plan, we're going to talk about sponsors and sponsees and the issues that can come with that. We're also going to look at hitting bottom, that phrase hitting bottom. And actually, we used to think that people who had a substance abuse issue had to hit bottom. We know that that is not true now. They don't actually have to hit bottom. Some people can see their bottom coming and they can make that choice before things actually hit bottom to get into treatment. And so we don't want to focus on saying, well, you really need to hit bottom before you can get serious with treatment. People don't have to have catastrophic events happen for them to choose or decide that they want to get sober. Some people can really see the writing on the wall. Some people actually need to have sometimes their bottoms happen, but that's a theory that has kind of changed over the years. So we also want to talk about relapses as being part of the process. And relapses can be great learning opportunities. We certainly don't want to tell our clients to go out and relapse so that they can gain some insight into their addiction, but when we do have relapses, and most of the time we will, especially early recovery, we're going to want to stay very positive and try to say, well, what can we learn from this? This is a learning opportunity. And one of my favorite sayings is a mistake until you learn the lesson. So it's always important that we learn a lesson from when we have relapses. We're also going to talk about triggers, people, places, and things. Sometimes we'll hear people and playgrounds and play toys also in that saying, and that's just what people did you hang out with, where did you use, what kind of things were you doing when you were using, so that we don't continue to engage in those, go to those places or talk to those people or engage in those activities, especially in early recovery, because they can trigger us to want to use. And we're going to talk about motivational interviewing, but you actually have a whole class on motivational interviewing now, so it's just a brief overview of that. Then we're also going to talk a little bit about defenses.